Welcome to Smartphone Family History with Chris Knudsen. This year we are doing the Smartphone Family History Challenge. The goal is to add 365 new records to your family tree in 2021, which is basically adding one record every day. Today we are going to show you how to change the tree view on your family tree app from pedigree view to fan chart view. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and open up the Family Tree app. So the default view for the Family Tree app is the pedigree view. One nice thing about the pedigree view is it allows you to look at the photos of your ancestors. But I find the fan chart view to be more helpful when looking for record hints. So let's click on the More button on the bottom right corner. Now we're going to click on the Settings button. And at the top you see, select your preferred view of the pedigree. You can do pedigree view, or you can click on fan chart. Now let's go back and click the More button. And we're going to click the tree view down at the bottom left. So here we are looking at the fan chart view of the pedigree. And if you look at the top of the screen, it says 5 generations. You can click on that button and you can go all the way to 7 generations. I'm going to click on 7 generations. So this shows you all of your ancestors in a fan chart view. So there's my dad, all of his ancestors. There's my mom and all of her ancestors. And one feature I like about the pedigree view is you can change what you're looking at by clicking on the blue circle button on the bottom right corner. And you have choices. Right now, I'm on the family lines view. You can also click on birth country. So let's say I only want to work in Denmark. Let's scroll down. So all of the Danish ancestors are in blue. The United States ancestors are in this orangey brown color. Now let's click on that blue menu button again. And you have a lot of other choices. You can click on sources. And anybody who's white doesn't have a source attached. The darker the color, the more sources are attached. So most of my ancestors have a lot of sources attached. Now I'm going to scroll over some more. And you can look at research helps. So this shows all of my people in the tree that have record hints or possible duplicates. So as I look at my tree, over here in the top right corner, I have 2 ancestors with possible record hints. Let's go ahead and click on William Penn Fry Sr. So William Penn Fry Sr. has a blue circle at the top that shows that he's got a record hint. But just so we familiarize ourselves with William, he was born 18th of June, 1800 in Jefferson, Virginia, and he died in Trinity, Lewis County, Kentucky. So let's click on the blue circle button. United States Genealogy Bank History. Joseph Fry, mentioned in the record of Mrs. Mary F. Penrod. So who's Mrs. Mary F. Penrod? It's the daughter of Joseph Fry. So why does it want us to attach this record? Let's click compare. Joseph Fry, William Penn Fry. Mary Frances Fry was born in 1847. Died in 1928. I'm going to click on her. And her spouse was Curtis L. Penrod. That makes sense. But why does it have her dad listed as a Joseph? Elizabeth Fetters Fry. Let's look at that. Yeah, so Margaret Elizabeth Fetters is her mom. So somebody mistakenly put William Penn Fry as Joseph because Margaret Elizabeth Fetters Fry, is the mom of Mary Frances Fry, and Mary Frances Fry married Curtis L. Penrod. Curtis L. Penrod, and all these other people. So I think this is a match. But let's skip and go to the second one. So definitely Curtis L. Penrod, Mary F. Penrod, Elizabeth Fetters Fry, and Joseph Fry. So let's go ahead and click Curtis L. Penrod, and let's attach this record to him. And now Mrs. Mary F. Penrod, who's Mary Frances Fry, she was died in 23 December 1928, which is the same as what we had. And so we're going to attach the obituary for 1928 and click yes. Now let's go ahead and click on Elizabeth Fetters Fry, Margaret Elizabeth Fetters. Click yes. And the only one left is this one. This is definitely her father, so we're going to click yes, attach. So that was kind of a difficult record, and we're going to say we're done. And now let's go back and back. Margaret Elizabeth Fetters says she has a record to attach. So we're going to click on that. And that was the same one that we just attached, so it doesn't show her as needing one anymore. So we are done. And now I have no more ancestors left with any record hints. Maybe on your tree you'll see more. We're going to go ahead and stop there. So we just taught you how to change the view from pedigree view to fan chart view, which is helpful because you can click on research helps and see which of your ancestors in your tree has record hints to do. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Watch Me Do Family History, and that way you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.